Hello everyone and welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And with this tutorial I want to show you how to make this mini cupcake. For this amigurumi I will use Sinfonia brand yarn. This yarn is 100% cotton yarn and it's about 3 millimeters. Depend of the yarn that you use, maybe the size of this amigurumi will be different. So I will use cinnamon color yarn and white color yarn. And for these details, you can use the colors that you prefer. For this yarn, I use 2.5 millimeters hook. I made a single crochet in a form of X, but if you made a single crochet in a form of V, I recommend that you use 2.0 millimeters hook. Also, we need stuffed and some base for the cupcake. I will use silicone, but you can use a button, whatever material that you like. And this is all the materials that we need to make this mini cupcake. I hope and you like it and you want to do it, and if it's like that, let's start. We will start round 1 using cinnamon colored yarn, and in round 1 we will make the magic rain with 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You can close the magic rain, and in round 2 we will make 8 increase and we will finish with 16 points. 1 single crochet and 1 more in the same base. We already have 1 increase and we will continue doing increase until the end of this round. On round 3 we will start with 1 single crochet and now 1 increase. We will continue repeating 1 single crochet and 1 increase until the end of this round with 24 points. In round 4, we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and now 1 increase. We will continue repeating 2 single crochet and 1 increase until the end of this round with 32 points. On round 5, we will make 32 single crochet, but this time reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing single crochet reverse until the end of this round. If you want to know more about this point, in the description of this video you can find some link. It's better if you don't know how I do it. So on rounds 6 and 7 we will make 32 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing single crochet until the end of this round, and the same on round 7. On round 8 we will start with 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and now 1 increase. We will repeat 7 single crochet and 1 increase 3 times more, and we will finish this round with 36 points. On round 9 and 10, 36 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing single crochet on this round and round 10. On round 11 we will start with 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and now 1 increase. And we will repeat 8 single crochet and 1 increase 3 times more, and we will finish this round with 40 points. On round 12, 40 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing single crochet until the end of this round. When you finish round 12, you can cut the yarn. You don't need a long yarn. Also, you don't need secure more, only if you want. Now we will put some base. Remember, you can use a button or other material, but with the same side of the base. In my case, I prefer use silicone. It's the same technique that I use in the legs of Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus. So with silicone, you can see how I do this. Now we will start another piece, and on round 1, using white colored yarn, we will make a magic rain with 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can close the magic rain, put some mark, and on round 2 we will make 6 increase, and we will finish with 12 points. 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same base, and we already have 1 increase, and we will continue doing increase until the end of this round. On round 3, we will start with 1 single crochet, and now 1 increase. We will continue repeating the same until the end of this round with 18 points. On round 4, we will start with 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and now 1 increase. And we will repeat 5 single crochet and 1 increase 2 times more, and we will finish with 21 points. On round 5, we will start with 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3, and now 1 increase. We will repeat 2 times 6 single crochet and 1 increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and now 1 increase. We will repeat 6 single crochet and 1 increase 1 more time, and for the end we will make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3, and we already finished this round with 24 points. On round 6 we will start with 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3, and now 1 increase. We will continue repeating 3 single crochet and 1 increase until the end of this round with 30 points. On round 7 start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and now 1 increase. We will repeat 5 times 4 single crochet and 1 increase. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and now 1 increase. We will repeat 4 single crochet and 1 increase 4 times more, and for the end we will make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and we already finished this round with 36 points. On round 8 we will start with 8 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and now 1 increase. We will repeat 8 single crochet and 1 increase 3 times more, and we will finish with 40 points. On round 9 and 10, 40 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing single crochet until the end of this round, and the same on round 10. When you finish round 10, you need to put this yarn in this position. It's very easy, only pay close attention and you can see how I put this yarn. Well, the silicone is ready, and now we can make the union. We will put the stuff later, before close. So, we will work in the front loops only. Take in the next point the front loop, and in the another piece the front loop, and 1 slip stitch. Two chains, 1 and 2, and in the same base 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Skip 1 point in each piece, and in the next skip 1, and in the next take the front loop, and in another piece skip 1 point, and in the next loop, and with both loops 1 slip stitch. And that's it, that we will repeat in all round. Pay close attention and you can see how I do this. And before close everything, you can see how I put the stuff. the last slip stitch we will make in the base of the first repetition. And now you can cut the yarn, secure and hide it. And that's it. And we already finished this mini cupcake. I hope you like it, and if it's like that, don't forget to give me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And subscribe and activate the bell, and you receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. Until next tutorial, bye bye.